Guys, this is Eric from Lost Soul Games, and this is how to tank in demolition. I am using flak target because, of course, there's a lot of grenaders and claymore placers, and I don't know how I need to use hacker because now the claymores really can't kill me. And sleight of hand is important. Fast aiming down sights, you get really good to jump on the enemy. And then so I can use marathon instead of hacker, so I'd like to get in and out of situations really fast. And this is basically just how to tank in demolition. First off, I always use a spy plane because it pretty much sets you up for your kill streaks. Like, you basically build on that kill streak. Like, once you get a spy plane, I basically get like a 6 kill streak, and then just 2 more for the Blackbird, 1 more for the Chopper. And this is just me doing really, really good in demolition. And
ready for deployment. Friendly B-52 on the way. Spy plane ready for deployment. Our spy plane's in the air.
some people really use a scavenger in this sort of situation to get long kill streaks. I don't really like it because then I always get grenaded or that odd claymore that ruins my kill streak and I get really mad, or like at the noob tube and stuff like that. And I just don't like that. So I just put Google Mag on or I just pick up someone else's guns.
Standing by. Good job, team. Get ready for the next round. Overtime. Demolition. Defend the objective. Ready for deployment. Huey on the way. Our counter spy planes in the air. Our spy planes in the air. SO-71 online. Enemy spy plane above. Friendly Cobra inbound. Friendly care package on the way. Huey ready for deployment. Huey standing by. Time's almost up.
So basically I have 2 chopper gunner. No, I have 1 chopper gunner and a Blackbird waiting to be used, and I cannot use them, so I was pretty angry.